Hey everyone, Blake here at C&S Corvettes with a different version of a shop walk around. We're going to call this an employee walk around. I'm going to hand over the mic to our good techs, Nick and Andy, and they're going to share some of their work experience, the things they've done to their car personally, and what they like to see in the future coming up in the Corvette community. All right, let's take it over to them.
All right, what's up guys? This is Andrew.
This is Nick.
This is C&S Corvettes. This is our first video. Doing a little walk around here today. I think starting up in the lot should be our first objective here. I want to show you guys my car. Got totaled last Wednesday on my way home from work. Got hit up here from the side, and I ended up getting pushed back up onto a concrete divider. And you can see on this driver's side, my front wheel ended up getting cracked. I got front frame damage. Upper control arm on the passenger side is bent inward, so we got a little bit of camber going on. Needs a little bit of work, still waiting on the insurance adjusters. I think I can save it, but I'm not sure what they're gonna plan on doing with it, so kind of gotta wait.
All right, my name's Nick. I've been working here for a little over a year now, and here's my C6 Z06. I got it with 9,000 miles. Just did a whole bunch of upper engine work to it, did the heads, did the cam, put Johnson lifters, BTR stage 2 cam kit with the springs. If we look under the hood here, you can see it's looking pretty clean. I got Cook's headers and X-pipe, Corsa air intake. I got big plans for this car. All right, my plans with the car is to finish the top end, do intake manifold, throttle body, possibly E85. I already have an upgraded fuel pump in it that can run E85, so that's definitely in my book. I want to do the torque tube. I have a solid carbon fiber drive shaft I already have. I'm just waiting for a monster clutch that I plan on putting in there. Tick slave, a whole bunch of trans support back there. It's going to be freaking sick.
All right, this is the shop. We're not too busy today. Only got 3 cars so far. We got the C6 been in for maybe a week with a bunch of electrical issues. Car came in doing a whole bunch of wacky stuff. All the lights were flashing with the turn signals, hazards, stuff like that. We noticed with the passenger side has been in a wreck previously, so a new door, new front and rear fender. Upon further inspection, taking the door panel off to diagnose the passenger side window, we had noticed that they had put a C5 window regulator in there instead. Not sure why, not sure how, but I guess that's how they decided it would work. A bunch of cut wires. Looked like someone took a hacksaw to the dash. So we had a Nick here fix all that wiring up. So far so good. Definitely gonna leave better than it came in with. She's gonna be here for a little longer.
But yeah, this car sat at a body shop for 6 years. I'm pretty sure it was crashed in 2008. I'm not 100% sure on the facts, but it was crashed in 08 and it sat in a body shop and still hasn't been fixed properly until now. So that really shows you the work that we put in and the effort we put into cars like this. Other shops, it's been to another Corvette shop somewhere up north and they probably just turned it away. They didn't want to work on it, but we fixed it. We're going to make it nice. We're trying to get her to do all the fluids because they were all from 2005. So definitely needs a lot of work to it. And we're hoping we can get it done. All right, this car came in for a noise diagnosis. We turned the car on, making this crazy noise. So what was happening is you can clearly see that pulley was smacking. It walked itself forward and was smacking on the power steering rack. So what we did is we gave it a front engine kit, which is we upgraded all the pulleys, tensioners, and put a new Summit Racing crankshaft pulley on and pinned it to the crankshaft. When we were down there, the cradle was dropped. We also noticed the AC compressor was leaking. So we got them on a full AC service kit. Right now I'm doing the accumulator. And we're going to wrap this up, get the new condenser in. This car will be good to go.
Last car in the shop today, we got a white 16 C7 Corvette. It's got 70,000 miles. We got a differential service and a transmission service that our newest addition here, Zach, is working on right now. Seems like he's tying it up. He's got the car running, so he's just getting the transmission up to temperature, making sure we're at the right temperature to check the fluid and make sure it's topped off. After this would be drop it down, test drive. And after that, if it's good, customer can take it home and rip her.
If you guys take a Alright, bro. What is he doing, bro? This is an old man, bro.
Bro.
This is an old man. This is crazy, bro. As you can see, this car is freaking epic, bro. Look at all the paint.
Freaking epic.
This
bro.
is detailed, hand painted all around. Got the pinstripes. Got all the nice paint, bro. Kent Ford. I don't know who that is, but shout out Kent Ford.
Hello everybody, welcome back to CNS Corvettes. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle here with a weekend special. This is a one-time only special, limited numbers. In this box on my shoulder are C7 Morimoto, not aftermarket, Morimoto taillights, the C8 style for the C7. Right now, the minimum price you can buy these from Morimoto is $699 for a set. And they include the bezel that goes around the light. They're really awesome. Now, I had some of these that we were going to take to Carlisle this year, but we're not going to Carlisle because we got stuff we got to do around the shop here. So I have 7 sets of these in red, and I have 2 sets of these in smoke lenses that I am blowing out this weekend to you people, my people out there, $549 shipped to your door anywhere in the United States. You can't buy Morimotos anywhere near that price anywhere else. It's never going to do it again. I'm just moving these out since I'm not taking them to Carlisle. If you want them, link is in the description below. Get them before they're gone. Thank you.
Well, that's been this edition of the shop/employee walk around. Now you've gotten to meet Andy and Nick, see their cars and exactly what they got going on. So that's the it. That's it for this video. As always, please comment, like, and subscribe. Let us know what you want to see. If you want to see more of these guys, let us know, please. Other than that, have a great day, and I hope you enjoyed it. Now get to work!